Yeah, somebody else is like 2-3 years still not profitable. That's okay too. I know people who've been trading for 10 like 9 years and they're still not profitable, and that's completely okay. It's not about how long you've been trading for. It's more so about what you've learned in those years, right? Because if you're not learning anything, and you're not looking for ways to adapt and adjust the price each and every day, then it's useless, obviously, right? You won't learn anything. So you do need to adapt and adjust the price. Even if you're blowing accounts, as long as you're adapting and you're adjusting, you're improving, looking for ways to get better, you're journaling, whatever the case may be, you're on the right path to become a better trader. But if you're just, you know, trading your accounts and you blow your accounts and you take a 2-week break and then you wait for your next paycheck and then you fill that paycheck up with a new account, you're not learning anything between those 2 weeks you're waiting for that new account, right? So you always want to be on the ball each and every day, like focusing on the skill and not the funds. The funds will come with time, right? But if you focus on the funds, you're never going to learn the skill. So make sure you're onto the skill. The funds will come later on and you'll be rewarded for them in due time. But yeah, I know exactly how it feels. I know how tough it is too when you blow your account to just like come to a chart still, right? So you guys are probably demotivated afterwards because like, oh, I'm not making any money today. What's the point of me coming to a charts for? I don't have an account to trade. Well, one, that's on you, right? Because you blew your account due to you over leveraging, wherever the case may be, right? But now, if you really want to improve and get better, you know, instead of taking that 2-week break because you have no funds to trade, why don't you go now and show up every day to the stream, show up every day to your training session, right? And then sample size, forward test, right? There's always ways to improve, because you will thank yourself once you load that new account up. Like, what's the difference? Like, what will change if you were to blow your account and take 2 weeks off and then come to your charts a month or 2 weeks later and then have a new account to trade? Nothing will change from the time when you blew your account to that new account because you didn't work on your skills. So always improve your skill. The rest will come later on.